Hey everyone, I'm Haja, a passionate makeup artist. Welcome to the mini YouTube series of Wake Up and Makeup. In this series, I decided to show you quick tips and tricks on how to apply your daily or occasional makeup correctly in seconds. In today's tutorial, we discuss the correct eyeshadow blending technique so your eyeshadow does not end up looking like this. Ready to get this done real quick? Then let's go! First, make sure your brushes are clean before the application. Second, you only need 3 brushes to blend perfectly. A big-sized fluffy blending brush, a mid-sized fluffy blending brush, and a tapered blending brush. And here is a short introduction to the terms we're going to use. This fold here is your crease line. Under the crease line is your deeper crease, and here is your above crease, and next to it on top is the brow bone. This whole part under the crease line is called the mobile lid. The mobile lid is divided into 3 sections: the outer lid, the middle of lid, and the inner lid. Last but not least, this is our tear duct. In this tutorial, we go for a brown smoky eye to demonstrate the blending process. Important is to hold your brush from the bottom and not from close to its tip, because that way you won't press too hard with the brush against your skin, as that will result in choppy looking eyeshadow application. Important is to work with 2 to 3 eyeshadow shades that are close in undertones and shades to each other. It's crucial to work with a light, medium, and dark shade. Start with the lightest shade out of the 3 chosen shades. This is your transition shade. Blend it into the crease with a big fluffy blending brush. Blend slightly over the above crease area towards your brow bone. Do not apply too much product all at once above the crease. Instead, build up the intensity you want to achieve. Now you can use the medium shade to build the intensity of your eyeshadow shade further. Apply the medium shade into your crease line with a medium-sized blending brush. You can also only work with 2 shades to create a nice smoky eye, just like I demonstrated it in this step. Go over the whole mobile lid with the eyeshadow shade and apply it evenly. Focus on blending the crease line, but do not apply any product over the crease line, or else it will take you longer to blend the shades seamlessly into each other. Nevertheless, you can go over the crease line, but only with a brush with little to no product on. You can stop here at this point, as you already achieved a soft, decent smoky look, but I decided to go darker as I want to demonstrate how to actually blend darker shades, as that is where most of the beginners struggle. Hence, apply your darkest shade with a tapered blending brush onto the deeper crease on the whole mobile lid. With the pointy bristles of the tapered blending brush, we focus on blending the deeper crease in sweeping motions. Once all 3 shades are blended well, we grab our big fluffy blending brush and go over all the 3 shades, applying the brush mainly in the crease and blend on sweeping motions without any product on our brush. Finally, we complete the eyeshadow application by applying 1 light or medium transition shade on the lower lash line, and on top of it we apply our darkest eyeshadow shade with a petite blending brush. We connect the lower lash line with the upper lash line while applying the eyeshadow in sweeping motions. This is the secret of how to apply seamless and sophisticated smoky eyes makeup in just 5 minutes or less, depending on how fast you are. If you enjoy quick mini tutorials, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more, and hit the bell notification to get notified about our next tutorial.